Reyes Jerry. And here's a ball on number 22, Lopez. With the first personal foul, here's the foul. Volunteers number 18, that's your first personal foul, first free throw. Balasika. Lopez, no good for Lopez. Palasige, post to one for Palasige. 2 points by Palasige. Score 7-1 in favor of Sayan. Aboy, no good. Rebound by Reyes. Palasige. Bang! No good by Osbang. Again Osbang. Again Osbang. No good again Osbang. Chugan. Kanya Chugan. Two points by Mr. Kayaw. Score, 7-4. Osbang. Back to Palasige. Score 90 in favor of Sayan. Maglambayan. Dribble the ball by Maglambayan. Maglambayan. Binigay kay Tayaw. Tayaw. To Lopez. To Tayaw again. Tayaw. Sinubra ka naman pagtod. Bang. Dribble the ball by Bang. To Palasige. To Barrientos. By Johnny. Palasige. 7 to shoot. 5 to shoot. No good. Bayan. Tayaw. Dito next. 82 points by Tayaw. Score 9-5 in favor of Sayan. Sayan na. Bosho. No good. Same ball. Sayan ball.
Ma! Itang score sheet. Alwa! Itang score sheet kailangan
Yes,
sa
ang ball
chiking
na ball.
coach.
To Barrientos.
At chiking coach.
To Palasige. Palasige.
Yung gulot.
Anak ko?
Uwe,
To
kamain.
Barrientos.
Kama kayong dambot sa
Barrientos.
Mapipasakit
Hindi ako
ka
na,
sa
magpunang siya.
Nasakyan mo.
Time to shoot.
Hindi, ito ka scooter.
Traveling.
Makabay pa naman.
Score 9-9.
Sige ko, ano ko rin
Kitang gulat at sila rin score sheet ka rin.
Magbayan.
Pero check may pamunit ang laban niya eh.
Dizon.
Hoy!
Score 9-8 in favor of Sam. Below 5 minutes remaining. Reyes. Jumper. No good. Adorentos to Palasigue. 10 to shoot. Palasigue. No good. Lopez. Aboy. 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 Maglambayan. Institute of Fair Maglambayan. James Favor. Green. Avocado Shake.
Parang kaya ka rin?
Green Avocado Shake ng isa. Palasigue. Dribble away by Palasigue. Foul number 30. Aboy. Sir Aboy. First on you. Second team foul by Green. Palasigue. Kupila. 10 seconds to shoot. Kupila. Ano mo nilaban?
Eh, balabayan!
Pasal? Ayaw. Bagong bayan. Bagong bayan. Dizon. Rodriguez. Nugue. Remember Aboy. Aboy. One by Mr. Aboy. Foul. Number 1. First foul on
Kevin
you.
mo ka rin dito ang score sheet?
Sila kitang gulat sa tayo bangko mo.
Kapila mo, Kevin.
Karan lamak kabit. Nilakol na ka rin. Baka napapil ka rin kitang gulat mo.
One free throw by Mr. Aboy. Nugue. The ball game is back.
Ako nang inibalong ako sa kang kay Bukol.
Coast to Coast by Palasigue. No good by Palasigue. Kaya. Dizon. To Aboy. Bagong no good. Adorentos. Adorentos. Hindi pa siya napuyat. Kompleto ang tulog, hindi siya napuyat. Score, 13-12. Kaya, apa yung sinigil? Ha? Ay, parang manunggo, kutuyo. Ang kayaw.
Kailangan na pag-uri rito? Puti.
Uwa, kailangan lo. Yung technical law ng ano, uwa.
Wow, wala ko.
Maglambayan, dito na wal by Maglambayan.
Nanyo rin coach eh.
Ako rin.
Bali may nang kanya makakabit.
Kana ako?
Maglambayan.
Ali.
Hit by Isbang. Isbang. Coast to Coast by Isbang. 15-12. 3-point lead by Sayan. Intercept by Reyes. Intercept again by Maglambayan. Maglambayan. Tutayo. Maglambayan to Aboy. Easy get back by Mr. Aboy. 50 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Palasigue. Dribble away by Palasigue. Score 15-14. 1-point lead by Sayan na. Reyes.
Karoon na tayo, Del.
Jumper by Reyes. No good. Rebound by Lopez. To Dizon. Dizon. 25 seconds remaining. Aboy. Maglambayan. Ito pass by Maglambayan. Time out. Sayan na. Time remaining. 90 19 seconds. Papasok na po si Mr. Jaworski, Mariano.
Mo, check mo pa mo bay mo dalan na. Wow. Gawin mo rin milalabon. Gawin mo rin milalabon.
Green Falcons, you have 3 fouls to give for the first quarter.
Kaya na kung green, gawin mo lang kusog mo lo.
19 seconds remaining. Bretas running the ball. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. Players, no good. Kubangay Lopez. Kumadlabayan. 7 seconds. Kyle. Kyle, next to most. To Alboy. Easy 2 points by Alboy. End of the first quarter. Score. 18-15 in favor of Green Avocado Shake.
Pare, sipag ah.
Sir, ang hirap ng apelido mo, Tanggil yan. Rivera. Back to Mr. Tagilid. To Mr. Rivera. Jumper. No good. Rebound by Tolentino. Slim. To Jawa. Lovely. Tanggilan. Hindi ko nabay tanggilan. Kaya sana ba? Malabang mata. Meneses. Wow! This is the voice for Mr. Meneses. Green Falcons. Green. Billy. Front three. Lagi by Mr. Billy. Rivera. Rebound the ball by Mr. Rivera. Selaksan eh. Pangina ang Esquera. Layo mo. Rebound by Mr. Cruz. Mariano. Tabis ni Mr. Mariano. To Mr. Billy. To Mr. Mariano. Intercept by Mr. Pagilian. Mr. Rivera. To Mr. Meneses. Meneses. Foul. Foul, Mr. Lim. First on you, Mr. Lim. Sino ba kaya silang katawan ni Mr. Meneses? One more for Mr. Meneses. Meneses. Foul. 21-15. In favor of Green. Tolentino. Miguel Cruz. To Mariano. Takes 3. No good. Rebound by Tolentino. No good again. Meneses. To Rivera. To Mr. Pangilian. Uy, ayun. Foul by Mr. Esguerra. Foul on you, Mr. Esguerra, number 37. Mariano. Dribble the ball by Mariano. Ano ba gusto ni Mariano? Rivera. Spicy, no good. Mariano. Win. Takes 3. No good. Tolentino. Reward naman by Tolentino. To De La Cruz. Basket. And timeout, Green, Avocado Shake.
Pag galing tayong shoot, walang stop yan.
Score, 21,
Absent lang pag
17.
last 2 minutes.
Kala nila running time.
Galing shoot yan, walang stop yan. Dito yan. Kahit sa PBA yan daw. Ganun yan. Oo. Pag galing tayong shoot. Kahit sa youth bail.
And back to the ball game. Stephen Gillian receiving the ball. Gillian. Gillian to Rivera. Rivera. Gillian. Pinag ng Gillian. Foul. Number 7, Tolentino. First foul on you, Mr. Tolentino. Second people by Green. I'm sorry, Sayan. The next score, 23-17. 6-point lead by Green, Avocado Shake. Green, dribble by Green, to Pili. To Mariano. Mariano takes 3. With the next, Mariano! Score, 23-20. Apes, katandakan sa Mariano. Pagilian, 40 seconds to shoot. Rivera. Rivera. Take Jay. No good. Tutoya po. To Lim. Lim. Tema root and Mr. Lim. Tananan. No good. By Meneses. Foul by Mr. De La Cruz. Rather, Lim. Second foul on you, Mr. Lim. Third team foul by Sayang na. Tanggilan. Post to post by Tanggilan. Walang ka, Mr. Tanggilan. Lim inbounding the ball. Lim. Set the play by Lim. Tumayano.
Play ka ta.
Elbow by Mr. Mariano.
Saan mo ko pagkikimula na
Rebound
ito?
by Rivera. 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 To Meneses. Pass by Meneses. But it's off. Tolentino. Pass by Tolentino. Takes J. No good. Foul committed by number 27. Mr. Guerra.
Oo. Hindi, kinuha na.
Second foul on you, Mr. Guerra. Second team foul by Green. 2 free throws by Mr. De La Cruz. First is good by Mr. De La Cruz. Score 23-21. A 2-point lead by Green. No good. Second one. Rebound by Meneses.
Itang plus.
With the man, to Rivera. Rivera. Lovely by Mr. Rivera. Less than 3 minutes remaining. Lim. To Mariano. Mariano. Sable. Mariano inbounding Receiving the ball. To Lim. To Billy. To Mariano. Takes Jay. No good. Rebound by Tolentino. Tolentino. Intercept by Tangilian. 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 Ang layup ng isang Tangilian. Score. 25-21. 2 minutes remaining. Mr. Billy. Sino ba pusikan? Red ball. Gillian receiving the ball. Last 2 minutes for the second quarter. Gillian. To Rivera. Rivera. Lim. Double by Lim. To Mariano. Takes Jay. The next is 2 points by Mr. Mariano. Score 25-23. Napako po sa 25 ang green. Time remaining 1 minute and 25 seconds. Rivera. Double by Rivera. Maglambayan. Maglambayan. 40 seconds to shoot. Sabaya po. A foul by Mr. Mariano. 40 foul by the Cyan. To be throw by Mr. Rivera. First foul on you, Mr. Jaworski Mariano. The next. Last video. No good. So Billy. To him. To Mariano. De la Cruz. Tolentino. 2 points by Tolentino. 57 seconds remaining. Score 26-25. 1 point lead by Green. 50 seconds. Tangilian. Dribble the ball by Tangilian. Tangilian. Takes 3. To the next. Tangilian. Ito sa Mr. Rivera, isa 2 points by Mr. Rivera. No good. Mr. Rivera. No good. Tolentino. 18-70 seconds remaining. Lim. Meneses. 10 seconds remaining. Rivera. Foul by Mr. Billy. Free throw for Mr. Rivera. Time remaining is 6 seconds remaining. The second quarter. Last free throw for Mr. Rivera. The next. De la Cruz. 5 seconds. Double dribble. 4 seconds remaining. Score 32-25 in favor of Green Mega Shake. Pass.
Hey, Presto!
2 points. Light green. Alias Sigit. Bigay kay Reyes. Nandun si Amor. Kinuha ni Aboy. Still Aboy. Aboy ginugulo ng dalawa. Cross pass to Rivera. Rivera loses the ball. Turnover.
Score 32-27. This is Kitikite. Kitikite. Inside to Apple. Bump up. Too strong. Random si number 16. Moves back for 2. Aboy. Binigay kay Rivera. Nag-dribble, lumapit, tumira. George, but Trevor Wilson. It's a foul committed number 45, Abarrientos. Abarrientos picking her foul number 8. First foul on Abarrientos, pick number 1. Aboy to Tayaw. Balik kay Aboy. Number 18. Still on number 18. Number 18 using the left hand. Too strong. Rebound on Lopez. Edos is Pico. Intercepted by Abarrientos. Abarrientos scores dribble. Inside. Still on Abarrientos. Intercepted by Lopez. Given away to Pico. Dizon. Back to Dizon. Dizon now check to tayo. Edos Reyes. Nagmamadali sa kanyang interception. Reyes. Inside to Palo City. Nasa aking lupang. Back to Kitikite. Hey! 2 points. 2 points. Tayaw. To Dizon. Wala. Rebound. Aboy. Dali. Tayo on the ball. Still on Tayo. Inside. Ulises. Tayo sige. Intercepted by Aboy. Counter. It is Reyes ngayon. Bounce by Tayo. Tayo inside. Rivera. Dizon. Intercepted by Reyes. Pero intercepted. Reyes. Reyes on the goal. Reyes up. And a basket. And a foul committed on number 3-0. Aboy. Subdivision. Pasok, labas. Bonus shot para kay Reyes. Bonus shot is good. (32-34) in favor of right three. Inside to Rivera, underneath the basket, and the referee whistled. It's a foul committed on number 12, Reyes. Reyes given a foul number. First foul on Reyes. And technical timeout. There is a question. Rep. Teka muna. Mag-uusap muna ang mga technical committee. Okay? Okay. So the passer rules should be the second.
Shoot, pre, shoot! Sige, sige! Shoot, shoot! Hey! Wala. Basket tayo isa, basket. Counter na yun.
33-34. Okay. Second free throw is good on Rivera. Intercepted on Kyle. 34-34 now score. Another intercepted. And referee whistle. It's a foul committed on number 1. Kyle. First foul. Team foul number 1. Ito si Paliasigi. 10 seconds to shoot. Race. Nothing. Apple is good on Apple by 2. That was extraordinary. Ito si Aboy. Aboy ginugulo. Another interception. Musbang on the left. It's good. Running but then 48-34. Lamang ng apat at light green. And this hit once again to Rivera. Inside to Aboy. Rex. Paliasigi. Inside to Apo. To Abarianos. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Yung unang bitaw hindi tumama. Disregard sa foul. Yung second attempt dun lang tumama pero lapses na. Okay? Maliwanag po ha, maliwanag. Tayo inside to Aboy. Taking. Rejected. Tayo the ball. Almost reaches, but he recovered. And the 2 points. (38-38). Remaining time is 5 minutes and 13. Abarientos at the first dribble. Shot, rebound on Tayo. Tayo. Still on Tayo. He misses. Paliasigi ang nagwadi. Bounce pass to Musbang. Binigay kay Reyes. Nothing. Follows up Reyes. Simon. Subdivision. Rep. Sandali daw rep. Subdivision. Sige. Pwede na. Good interception from Aboy. Is still on Aboy. Aboy to Tayo. Back to Aboy. Now to si Aboy. Si Rivera is good. It's a blocking.
Kita yan yung kasama niya. Dapat siguro itawag na siya. Siya ang girls.
Fourteen seconds lang tayo, 14 seconds. Handshow! Handshow! Good! Wala! 2, 3, good!
Nagkagulo. It's a kicking turnover. Green ball, back. Rivera. Inside. To Meneses. Sa labas sa lagay, kaya cross pass to Aboy. Sa kanya pa rin, inside to Lopez. Nandun si Rivera, underneath the basket. And a referee with a basket. Foul committed number 45, Abarrientos. Second on Abarrientos. Subdivision. Sige, number 4 out, coming in. Reyes. De La Cruz out. Ah, number 45. Number 45 pala. Remaining time is 3 minutes and 57. 42-38. It's a 43-38. Lamang ng 5 ang dark green. Ito si Reyes, sumagasa, lumapit, inside to Cruz, Norin. Cruz bang, short again. Kicking, reset shot clock. Reyes inbounding, binigay kay Apple. Cruz bang. Cross pass to Kitty Clay. Reyes on the move. Using the ball. Rebound. 41-43. Dalawa na. Dark green. Edison Lopez lumapit. Racing up using the board narin. He grabs the rebound. He loses. Rivera connects on Rivera for 2. 45-41. Suddenly, 3 minutes to go. At referee whistle, it's a foul committed on number 13. Subdivision. Second foul on Aboy. Warning on number 30, Aboy, for successive complaining. Subdivision. Iya, masuk. Ano nga yung misaran, eh? Reyes. Rims out. Second is rims out again at the referee. It's a foul committed number 12, Reyes. Reyes given a foul number 2, number. Warning for penalty. Warning for penalty, light green. Once again, nawala bola, napunta kay Aboy to Pili. Protected. Binigay kay Alfredo. Alfredo. To Pili. Back to Alfredo. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala. Rebound, Aboy. Andun si Rivera on an easy layup. It's good. 47-41. Wow! This coming from Reyes. Tayo on the move. Tayo picking. Same ball as his referee. Bobby, nakunin. Dalagu. Bounce pass to Abor. Abor using the ball. Rebound in Dalagu. Dalagu. 10 seconds to shoot. Nothing on Dalagu. Rebound on Menezes. Tayo on the ball. Tayo cross dribble. Tayo inside to Abor. To Rivera in the middle. Nothing. And the referee whistled. It's a pushing foul committed on number 4. And penalty. First ball on the Cruz. First on Tayo is good. Second on Tayo is short. Rivera on the rebound. Lumapit. Referee whistle. It's a troubling turnover. Lost and foul. Lost and foul, Bata. Ito si Apor. Too strong. Remaining time is exactly 1 minute to go. 1 minute per quarter. 55 seconds. 50 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. 45 seconds. 42 seconds to go. 40 seconds. 25 seconds. 30 seconds. Stepping. 23 seconds. 20 seconds. 13 seconds to go. 10 seconds. 5. Ang ating score is 50-41. Lamang ng siyam on dark green. Don't go away, we will be right back. Back to the boogie.
Go, Lingwan!
Tayo. Ito si Rivera sa labas kay Tayo. Tumira, short. Pag-rebound on Menezes. Ito pa rin ang Matt Green na walang bola, but Rivera recovered and Apollo so nothing again. Apollo rebound on Abarientos. Abarientos on the ball. Abarientos pass to Reyes. Sumagasa, nag-lay ang Alambre. Dark Green ang bola. Turnover.
Kabila ka. Dito ka.
Oy! Sa ilalim kay Tayo for two. Karakaldang candidate na best player. Oy! Ang sakit David Joel. Kiti-kiti, nawala ang bola, napunta kay Liam. Nandun pala si Bato. Kaya lapit na yun ito. Ingin ba? Ibigay namin. Ay, malang panulusot. It's a foul committed on number 6 minutes. Timeout! Light green. Remaining time, 8 minutes 33. Score 54-41. First shot on this bomb is no good. Second study. Tayo on the ball. Tayo to Rivera. Rivera sa labas kay Senador. Nothing. Rebound on Basban. Ginugulo ng dalawa. Binigay kay Abarientos. Abarientos back to Basban. Basban. Turn around. Nothing. Inside to Reyes. And Alisa is good. 54-43. Rivera on the ball. Cross pass to Senador. Nothing. Nakuha ni Abarientos. Abarientos yung tabi. Abarientos. Ito si Mariano short. College of Lopez Bang. Timeout green. Remaining time 7 minutes 45. Score 54-45. Baliktaran. Inside to Menezes and a hyper-revision. It's a foul committed on number 16, Menezes. I'm sorry. Masbang. First on Menezes, no good. Second foul on Masbang. First team foul para sa light green. Second is starting again. The power rebound on Abarientos. Bigay kay Palyasi. Ito si Mariano Malacson. Manisos on the rebound. Mariano recovers. It's a traveling turnover. Aboy Umad ng Bayan. Tayaw. Still on Tayaw. Lumapit. Inside court. Aboy! And the referee said it's a foul committed on number 20. Mariano. Second on Mariano. Apat niya. Sabi na ganyan eh. First on Aboy is no good. Another one on the free throw line. Second is good. 46, 55 for 45. Sampok. Race. Almost power rebound number 7. Tayo. Give it go to. Oh, what a nice assist. Sinulpit siya. Technical foul on number 12, Reyes. Disconcerting. Third foul on Reyes. Technical shot on Aboy is gone. 56, 45. Fourteen seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Too strong. It's a traveling. Tiyaga mo na. Tumatakbo yung oras. Ipa-hold mo na kapag nagka-dead ball. Hold the ball, sabi dyan. Oh. Ito si Palyasige. Binigay kay Reyes. And layup natin si Guzman. For 2. Goodness is coming from Reyes. 47-56. Kaya. Rivera. 10 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds. Violation. Turnover. Right green number. To Abarientos inside. What a nice. Oh, hipsy do. Abarientos. Pinalik kay Rivera. Ng Bayan. Lumapit ng dribble. Tumira using the left hand. Correct. Ito sa Palyasige. 10 seconds. Outside. Subdivision. Seconds. 19 seconds to shoot.
1 liter.
Inside to Madlang Bayan. Strong. Subdivision. Reyes out, coming in De La Cruz. Remaining time is 4 minutes and 43. 58-49. Siya man lamang ng dark green. Ito si Abarrientos lumapit. Tumira. It's good. 51-58. Ito ang kalalangan ng dark green. Oh, it's a holding foul committed on number 7. Madlang people. First foul on Madlang Bayan, team foul number 2. Mariano. Still on Mariano. Binigay kay Abarrientos. Abarrientos lumapit sa labas. 14 seconds. 10 seconds. It's a traveling. Remaining time exactly in 4 minutes and 2 seconds. Tayo. Ito si but Trevor Wilson. It's a foul committed on number 16, Masbam. Masbam, give me the foul number 3. Team foul number 'Ito namin nakikita. Nothing. Ito si Abarrientos. Abarrientos. Dito Hits. 52-58, lumaga lang ang kalabangan. Ito si Rivera. Rivera almost loses. Tumira ang daling. Nakuha ni Masba. Subdivision. Sige, pasok. Okay. Division. Foul committed on number 20, Mariano. Penalty. Mariano, third foul. First shot is good on Aboy Palaboy. Second on Aboy is good again, 2-4-2. Energy Al-Qadri, 16-53. Energy Abarrientos, correct on Abarrientos, 55-60. Bumaba uli sa lamang sa lima ang kalamangan. They're intercepted by Light Green. The Cruz to Mariano, outside. Bang, bang. Rebound. Simon Dark Green. Score 58-16. Paalala sa both players, both teams, itutuloy ang laro ninyo. Paalala lang, yung nakaraang naudlot, which is remaining time of 1 minute and 35. So, bibilangin na lang natin at aalamin yung mga players na involved. Okay? Back to the game.
Tulong.
Aboy. Again, reparation. It's a foul committed on number 20, Mariano. Warning on Mariano. Penalty. First on Aboy. It's not good. Remaining timeout. Tigisa pa kayo ha. Tigisa pa both teams. Second Aboy. Short again. Monty grabs the rebound. 10 seconds to shoot. Tayo. 5 seconds. Good. Yeah. It's a tie. It's a tie. 60-60. And the referee whistled. It's a foul committed number 20. Number 20, Mariano Bradley. Remaining time, 2 minutes and 23. First shot on Tayo is not good. Second on Tayo is gone. Obviously, Derek Cruz, dedicated by Reyes, and McGregor. Ball kicking. Second. 14 seconds. 14 seconds. Ten seconds to shoot. Obviously, he has 5 seconds to shoot. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. 61-60 on score. 14 seconds. 10 seconds. 53-60. Same ball. Subdivision. Sige, pasok, labas. Remaining time, 1 minute and 30. Same ball. Eto si Palyasigin. 62-63. 1 minute and 26. Eto si Madlambayan. Still on him. Madlambayan. Ginugulo. 14 seconds. Sugar score. 65-62. And the Derek Cruz. 1 minute and 5. And suddenly 1 minute to go. 55 seconds. 15 seconds. 14 seconds to go. 10 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. 35 seconds to go. It's a traveling. 31 seconds.
Aboy!
31 seconds. Foul committed number 4, De La Cruz, penalty. Second foul on De La Cruz. First is no good. 65, 62, 23 seconds to go. Second is no good again. He dropped the rebound. Another foul committed number 4, De La Cruz. Third on De La Cruz, penalty. 21 seconds remaining time. 65, 62. First is good.
Itong pa.
Second is not good. De La Cruz. De La Cruz. Referee whistle. Madlang Bayan. Third foul. 13 foul. Ang second foul ng Madlang Bayan, 13 foul. Second on De La Cruz, nothing again. He dropped the rebound and his foul is up. It's good. 64-66. It's another foul committed number 18, Paulo Yasigit. Time out. Ten seconds to go. 67-64. Awag dito, tamaan kami rito. Bawal dito, bawal. 10 seconds to go. Pasok! Players. 67-64. Remaining tatlong dark green. 10 seconds to go.
Laki bang bola ha? Huwag mo na kayo ng mga foul. Nagtikal ito. Let's go. Oh, bola, kuha. 3.
Ang ganda ng laban. Lahat tumigil ang hininga. Okay, 67-64. Congratulations, dark green. So, okay. So, itutuloy natin.